In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a new queue in Jira Service Management. If you're trying to build a clear incoming ticket flow, separate urgent requests by priority, or create a focused triage view for your support team, this setup can make a huge difference. Instead of digging through broad admin menus, you can use Jira Service Management's built-in queue tools to create a clean, practical workspace right inside your service project. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site. If needed, sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and click Projects. From there, choose the Jira Service Management project where you want to create the new queue. This opens the service desk workspace you'll be working in. When the project loads, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Jira keeps the main navigation for the service project. Find the option labeled Queues and click it. That will open the current list of queue views available for your team, giving you access to the area where ticket routing and triage are managed. Next, look near the top of that queues section for either Manage Queues or Create Queue. Depending on your layout and permissions, you may see one or the other. Click it to open the queue creation interface. Jira will bring up a guided setup window where you can define exactly how this new queue should work. Now it's time to name your queue. In the field labeled queue name, enter a title that's short, clear, and easy for your team to recognize at a glance. A good name should describe the purpose of the queue without being too long. Keeping it concise also makes the sidebar easier to scan during busy support periods. Under the name field, you'll set the rules for which issues appear in this queue. You can use the standard issues to include options if you want a simpler setup, or choose switch to JQL for more precise filtering. JQL is especially useful when you want to target exact conditions, like a specific status and a high priority level. After entering your filter, use the preview or search option to confirm the results. Look correct before saving anything. Before you finish, review the columns shown in the queue. This controls which details your team sees, such as the issue key, summary, created date, or SLA information. Make sure the layout supports quick decision-making and gives agents the information they need without clutter. Once everything looks right, go to the bottom right corner of the setup window and click Create. Jira will save the queue, apply your filter logic, and add the new view to your sidebar so your team can start using it right away. That's it.